Hi there, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this apartment law awareness series, I am going to inform you about carpet area and super area and also the legal position with respect to for which area one should pay stamp duty while registering the apartment. When it comes to the carpet area, though it has not been defined under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act, but it has been defined under the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act, and it means the actual area which an apartment owner gets within its apartment, meaning thereby an area within your control over which you can lay carpet actually. So this is carpet area. When it comes to the super area, it means carpet area plus proportionate share of this of that particular apartment against the common areas and facilities of the entire building. So the common area, once it is added into the carpet area, it becomes the super area, and super area is always higher than the carpet area. Now when we talk about that for which area one should pay stamp duty, then it will definitely be the super area as per the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act, because as per section 5 subsection 3 and all, it has been said that along with the apartment every apartment will have proportionate share in the common areas and facilities, and this proportionate share will always be transferred along with the apartment, meaning thereby you have the ownership of that property in the common area, and whenever you are buying anything, purchasing any real estate property or a immovable property, one has to pay stamp duty for the entire area. So going by this definition, one has to pay stamp duty against the super area, and registry should be done only on the basis of the super area. When it comes to the calculation or having knowledge of the carpet area, then definitely when you are purchasing an apartment, you should know the carpet area, because that is going to be the actual area for your residence. So the carpet area must be disclosed by builders, and buyers must ensure that while purchasing an apartment, they are actually in the knowledge that what would be the carpet area of their apartment. So this is all with respect to the carpet area and super area. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel if in any manner this video helps you. Thank you so much.